Welcome to 3T.
The story of Tobo and his ball.
In the chilly land of snowy shore, where the sea meets the snow, baby penguins waddle with joy. Today is a very special day. The little penguins will learn to swim. While the others splashed and played, one little penguin stayed behind. His name was Tobo. He was scared.
I'm scared of the water.
I'm scared.
Tobo's eyes wide with worry. He didn't want to swim. Not today.
Mama Penguin waddled over and gently cuddled her little one. Just try a little splash, sweetie.
Maybe tomorrow.
Tobo sat alone on the snow, watching his friends laugh and play. Suddenly, a gust of wind howled across the shore. Tobo's favorite ball rolled and tumbled right into the water.
Oh no, my ball.
The ball floated farther and farther away. Eyes wide, heart pounding, he paddled, awkward but brave, through the chilly water. He was scared, but he was doing it.
I swam. I really swam. Yay!
Tobo tried and got his ball from the water. Moral, don't give up. You're braver than you think, just like Tobo.
Liked this story? Watch Daisy the Dolphin or Bruno and Coco next. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun stories. See you next time on 3T.